Water is the source and origin of life. Nowadays, world's water resources are in serious lack, which becomes a threat to human survival. Taking water conservation as an important task, Anboly has developed powerful drain valve. Anboly's core technology, strong drainage speed. The optimum balance point between the fluid pressure and fluid is found according to the fluid mechanics principle, and the outlet is innovated with a 12 degree snow. Outer ring of the outlet is added with a 4 mm high rail fence. It can increase water pressure around the outlet, squeeze out the air. It can provide 2.4 meters per second strong drainage speed and make drainage smoother, thereby giving the clean stool pipe a stronger siphon force and realizing the optimal water-saving effect. Anboly powerful drain valve can make the washing force of a clean stool stronger. Fluid testing of Anboly drain valve. Comparison between the drain fluxes tested by National Quality Inspection Center, Anboly drain valve versus common drain valves. Set the same maximum and minimum water levels, and allow 2 inlet valves to take in water at the same time. Stop the water after it reaches the same level. Press the drainage button at the same time. We can obviously see that the drainage speed of Anboly drain valve is much bigger than that of the common drain valve. The meter shows that the drain flux of Anboly drain valve is 2.538 liters per second, while the drain flux of the common drain valve is 1.838 liters per second. The testing result shows that Anboly drain valve wins with its powerful drainage speed. Washing testing of Anboly drain valve. Install 2 different drain valves to the same clean stool and set the water consumption amount to be 3.5 liters for them. Put 200 pp balls to the clean stool and press drainage button for the washing test. We can clearly see that the clean stool installed by Anboly drain valve is washed very clean. But there are still things left in the clean stool installed with a common drain valve after washing. The washing test shows that Anboly drain valve wins with powerful drainage force and can help the clean stool reach the optimal water-saving effect with its powerful drainage speed. Anboly powerful drain valve making the washing force of a clean stool stronger. Striking human-friendly functions of Anboly drain valve. 1. Its body can rotate for 360 degrees. 2. Height of the overflow pipe can be freely adjusted. 3. The small big gears can meet the high requirement for adjustment of magnitude of discharge. Anboly Company has advanced production equipment, exquisite research and development techniques, perfect production flow, strict quality control, and precise quality test, which helps it realize fine quality. Anboly's products have experienced untold tests. And each product is guaranteed to be used for more than 100,000 times. Most of the company's products have obtained the national patent and are well completed, which can be used for all kinds of closed steel in the current market. All of its products have passed regional authentication in different countries all over the world. Anboly, used in the whole world.